This is the man who put 1,000,000 on black, and it came up red. This is the man who married a sex kitten, just as she turned into a cat. This is the man who moved into gold, just as the clever money moved out. This is the man who drives a Volkswagen. Everyone must have something in life he can rely on.
Now, the one thing which the Volkswagen Golf GTI has always been is a car to depend on, a car to rely on, and a vehicle which is one thing to all people. The compact hot hatchback, the family car, the youngster's fun mobile, the family man's get out there and do things mobile, the vehicle which looks good turning up at a sports event, as well as that of a red carpet smart gathering. And that is what they've rolled into this latest generation, the 8th generation GTI. Motor along as I'm doing at the moment, quietly, comfortably, enjoying the entertainment, the luxury, the technology, the sophistication. But of course, being the GTI, it's also got to be that hot hatchback. It's got to be sporty, with 180 kilowatts of power, 370 Newton meters of torque, dispatchable with my right foot. These pedals behind the steering wheel, the 7-speed dual clutch transmission. If I pop down on the pedals, it delivers a lot of fun, a lot of noise, and an exceptional level of grip, ride quality, and a balanced premium feel. It's exactly what you expect from the Golf GTI. But it's much more than high-speed aggression, this. I can cruise along here and enjoy a lot of the sophistication and technology, apart from that noise back there and a lot of the fun I'm having at the moment. If we pull to the side of the road now, we can discuss the interior offering, the overall sophistication of this latest generation. With supportive and stylish seats within the cabin, they're heated and ventilated. You then get the likes of modern day luxuries such as wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and just check out this digital instrumentation cluster. It's all completely customizable and very much in keeping with the modern day Volkswagen design language. What you're getting here with this latest generation GTI then is a vehicle which really has got forward thinking for the 21st century. So, is the GTI all things to all people? I think so. It's priced similarly to that of its predecessor and packs so much in the way of modern day sophistication, technology, and just simply a vehicle which fits every which occasion.